Okay, Sanjay. Yeah.
Hi friends, now let's see about what is Telegram bot. Telegram bots are essentially automated Telegram accounts. You can chat with others and add others as friends to your chats, groups, and channels. While other messaging apps like WhatsApp and Discord are place strict limits on what users can create, Telegram allows the users to create Telegram bots for pretty much. Now let's see how to create a simple AI Telegram bot. First, get a token from bot for the
Okay, we lost your presentation.
Now let's create a new bot. Let's call it as AI bot. This is a bot token to access our bot abilities. Now let's create an account at Heroku. I already have an account on Heroku, so I don't have to create a new account.
What is that Heroku website? What is that platform used for?
It's used to host our Python code, sir.
Okay. So it's a hosting site to host our Python code.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Now let's search for our bot codes in GitHub.
GitHub is what powers Visual Studio Code.
Yes, it's used to share our codes to our clients.
Yes.
Now I have to get our API token in Telegram Dev. Now let's go to API development and tools. This is our API ID and our hash API. Now let's deploy our bot from GitHub to Heroku.
It's very useful information.
Now let's get our hash API from telegram.org. Then API ID. Then our token to access our bot that we get from bot further.
can click Control C also.
It might not work sometime. Then replay our app. Wait a minute, please. API. Now we have to build our app. This is our bot. It's not created yet. Now display is going to get finished. This is our app. Our display is finished. Now we have to check our logs. Then we have to turn on our resources for app. Now we have to add our alt account to this to get more dinos. Now let's access into our alt account. Now resources, then logs. View mode. Bot is not deployed yet. There is an error in deploy, so we have to redeploy the app. Let's get the deploy link. And get our config from settings. API. AI. And our database will be created automatically. SQL database. We will get our Python codes from this GitHub by builder packs. Our deploy is about to finish. Let's see our Telegram app. Resources and our dynos on. Code deployed. Now let's start. Our bot is aligned now. It's an automatic AI bot. Thank you. Any
I got so much
questions?
information, Sanjay. Thank you.
Okay, anyone having any questions? You can ask.
Sir, I have.
Yes, yes.
First of all, where can we find all these links? How to go to these websites and all mandatory websites? The links were in
Wait,
the power presentation. Right? How do we get it?
I will send the GitHub link. You can get all from there.
You can send the links in the chat and I can save the chat.
Yes.
Better what you, Sanjay, I think that your presentation having all the links, right? So what you do, just send that presentation to me. I will share that presentation to all.
I will send you after finishing, sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah, sure. That no
Thank
problem.
you,
And I
Sanjay.
also thank you.
So any other questions?
Questions?
That's all.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine, Sanjay. That's what your wonderful presentation.
And also like few questions it's asking me to sign in and all. I'm able to sign in, but it's not coming.
First,
Okay,
you have
so
to sign into Telegram. Then you have to sign into
Oh.
Telegram, mytelegram.org to get our API and Harsh API tokens. Then you have to use bot further to get your bot token to access it. Then you can create a Heroku account and deploy to it from the given link by GitHub.
I can't install Telegram then. I can't do this.
Hmm.
okay, fine. So that all the other related questions we will have offline chat. Okay. I think it was a wonderful presentation, Sanjay. I think anyone get a lot of information about this AI bot. Thank you, Sanjay.
Sir, can I also share my advanced bot, sir?